Good morning. It's the 19th on a Tuesday, and it's gloomy out there and wet, and we were gonna go out and thatch today, but that's not gonna happen. Yards are too wet. I gotta get the truck in to get DOT inspected, so that's the plan. And we gotta get materials ready. I mean, we've got jobs now. We got to get the materials all ready so that we can have it here by the time we start landscaping. Yesterday's vlog was a little short. I was just how's it going?
Moist out this morning.
What's that?
A little moist out.
Yeah.
I think it's supposed to clear up though, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh. There's sockets too here, Nick.
Oh, okay, yeah.
In there,
right.
yeah. Yeah, and then set that jack down and pump it up. Okay, we're gonna move things around in the back. We're gonna move all these blocks we've got. Yeah. Gonna move all these blocks and put them on that side, and then move all the materials and rocks over here, so that way when the truck drives in, all it needs to do is back up and just dump for the rocks and gravel. So yeah, beautiful morning though. Wow. Look at all this. That's where the blocks are going to go. Oh, we have so much work. No, I'm not complaining. Got an iPhone 6 to fix quick. Still got Nick back there working. So here's what we got. Broken screen there. And we gotta get that fixed quick. Another iPhone done. Brand new. So yeah, that's fixed, and I'm gonna go out in the back, see what Nick's got going on back there. Awesome. all cleaned up. Yeah. Okay, I've got one more phone I've got to fix, and then I'll call it a day. Okay, here's the screen. That's all shattered. Need to get that fixed here. Okay, got that one fixed for him. Okay, I'm gonna fly my drone.
Scared my dog.
You alright, bud?
Fell down on my leg. I tripped over my leg. I dropped this and I don't know if it's broken or not.
Why am I hooked on Wi-Fi? I don't want Wi-Fi.